Hi guys, it's Mike Lowry, and I'm excited to talk to you about a couple great ideas for Father's Day. It's coming up right around the corner. What are you gonna get Dad? So a couple ideas. One would be a cask strength bourbon. This one's from Texas, still Austin. I love this in a reverse Manhattan. You can use a little less whiskey, a little more vermouth, and make a great cocktail with this really striking Austin whiskey. I love it. So another one for the more traditional dad could be a wonderful Alexander Murray single malt Scotch cask. This one here happens to be 23 years old, but if you look in the lock boxes in our stores, find one that's 35 years old, and it's a great price point for that age of a whiskey. That is super for a dad who's 35 years old or 55 years old. So my last one would be for the tequila loving dad. This Don Roberto Extra Añejo, more than 3 years of age in a barrel on this guy. Great with a cigar if your dad likes to maybe slip outside and have one of those, or just on its own. So 3 great ideas for Father's Day. Don't forget them.